Hi, my name is Ray Adams, Chartered Financial Planner and Director of CashCalc. Today I'm going to talk to you about a really exciting new piece of functionality we have within CashCalc, which has just been launched, which is the ability to customize the dynamic fact find. Now there was a lot of words there, so let me break that down. Everybody here listening hopefully knows what a fact find is. Dynamic, that just means it responds to the questions being asked. So instead of just opening up with a 58-page fact find and clicking not applicable, it dynamically responds depending on what the client says yes, no, or whatever. Now, I'm an IFA, the same as most of you watching, and we've all got our own individual quirks and ways of working. I've got some specific questions I like to ask at every meeting. So what we've now done is we've expanded that to give you the ability to customize both questions and pages. So let me give you some examples. You can add an individual question or an entire page. So an example of an individual question, on the incomes section of the dynamic fact find, you could just add your own question at the end, something along the lines of, are you expecting any imminent large incomes or inheritances? Very simple example, but you can just put that onto an existing page. Alternative to that, you could just add an entire page, such as ESG. So you could have a page all about ethical questions. You could have a page for attitude to risk questions or attitude to transfer risk, or you could even have a page of open questions. You have the ability to ask a text question and just have a small single line text answer, or you have the ability to say, is it going to be a long answer? So it basically creates a notes box for the client to type in, or you have the ability to just add a series of drop downs. So for example, you can do 5 radio buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can literally then have the question and the client selects one of the radio button answers. To create the new fact find, very simple. We already have the default CashCalc fact find, for which you can then go in and either build on that and add questions or add pages to it, and having built a new template, you can save that, for example, standard plus ESG questions, and then you can even save that as your default for your entire firm. So every time you need to do a fact find with a client, they will automatically do the new default one you've sent in the firm. You also have the ability then to say, this specific client I want to send a different fact find to, for example, your standard plus business exit, and you can then change it on a client by client basis. So it's incredibly flexible for you. You can also build a new fact find, save it, and then clone it and do a little tweak to that, just like you can with your forecasts. So we've tried to make it as flexible as we can for you guys. So please have a look at the customizable fact find, give us some feedback. We do listen to it and we do take action in response to it. Good luck with business.